Students, welcome to the maths class. In unit 4, today we will discuss fractions in the lowest terms. As we all know, a fraction can be written as numerator by denominator, and these numerator and denominator are called terms of fraction. These are called terms of fraction. Now, when to call this fraction in its lowest term? When highest common factor of numerator and denominator equals to 1. When highest common factor of numerator and denominator equals to 1, then the given fraction is said to be in its lowest term. Now, how to convert the given fraction in its lowest term? There are two methods for this. Let's discuss one by one. Let's have an example of a fraction 8 by 12. In the first method, write the factors of numerator and denominator separately. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. What are the common factors here? Which are 1, 2 and 4. We can find highest common factor also. This is 4. Yes, we did all the calculation to find this highest common factor, and this is meant for rough work only. No need to show it here. When we are with highest common factor of the numerator and denominator, now what is the next step? Now we will divide the numerator and denominator of this given fraction with this highest common factor. When 8 divides by 4, we get 2. 12 divides by 4, we get 3. The answer is 2 by 3. Now the common factor of this 2 and 3 is 1. So this 2 by 3 is the fraction in its lowest term. Okay, this is the first method. 8 by 12 is reduced to its lowest term. This is 2 by 3. Okay, let's do the same example with another method. The fraction 8 by 12. Just think of any common factor of numerator and denominator. Okay, it is 2. So now divide 8 and 12 both by 2. We will get 4 by 6. Think about another factor, common factor of 4 and 6, which is 2. At the next step, it will be 4 divides 2, 6 divides 2. This is 2 by 3. Again, think of a common factor of 2 and 3. This is 1. So, in order to reduce a fraction in its lowest term, we go on dividing the numerator and denominator by their common factors till we are left with a fraction having 1 as the only common factor of its numerator and denominator. So, when the common factor is 1, then this fraction is called in its lowest term. Okay, these are the two methods to convert a fraction in its lowest term. First, by finding HCF, and second, by finding the common factor step by step and then divide the resultant fraction. Okay, now let's start our worksheet 1 of unit 4. First question here is, encircle the fraction in its lowest term. In this group of fractions, we have to encircle the fraction which is in its lowest term. We will solve question number 1 and 2 both in book only. Okay. In the first part, it's already encircled, but still let's discuss. In 2 by 5, is there any number at 2 at which we can divide 2 and 5 both? No, the only number is 1. So, this is in its lowest term. 4 by 10, yes, there is 2. A number 2 is here by which 4 and 10 both can be divided. 8 and 20, yes, at the table of 2 also, 4 also. Okay, 6 by 15 at the table of 3. So, the lowest term is 2 by 5. Let's discuss another part. 4 by 24. Just think of a number at which 4 and 24 both can be divided. Yes, there may be 2 or 4. So, it's not in lowest term. 6 by 36. Yes, at the table of 6 it is dividing. 1 by 6. Is there any number? Yes, the only common factor is 1. So, this is in its lowest term. Encircle 1 by 6 and then 3 by 18. At the table of 3, both can be divided. In the same way, C part you will do on your own. D also. Let's discuss E part. 6 by 10 at the table of 2. 24 by 40 at the table of 2, 4, 8. Okay. 3 by 5 only at the table of 1. So, this is in its lowest term. 18 by 30 at the table of 2, 3, 6. Okay. So, this completes our first question. Let's move to question number 2. Tick those fractions which are in the lowest term. We have to tick those fractions which are in lowest term. First part is 6 by 10. We have to check that is there any common factor of 6 and 10 other than 1? Yes, there is a common factor 2. So, this is not in the lowest term. The next is 5 by 32. There is the only common factor 1. So, this is in its lowest term. Next is 1 by 8. The only common factor is 1. So, this is also in lowest term. 5 by 8. Is there any common factor? Only 1 is the common factor. So, this is also in lowest term. 13 by 15. Only 1 is the common factor. 81 by 90. 9 is the common factor. So, this is not in the lowest term. 21 by 15. 3 is the common factor. So, no. 26 by 42. 2 is the common factor. So, no. This completes our question number 1 and 2. We will solve these two questions in book only. The next question of worksheet we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.